If you're an author looking to promote your book online, posting videos on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube is one of the best ways to connect with readers. And whether you're posting a short reel on Instagram or a long video on YouTube, the way you shoot your video matters. And don't get me wrong, you absolutely don't need a fancy camera or a studio setup to get started. Just your phone, some good lighting, and a few simple techniques can go a long way. So let's talk about how you can shoot good videos without overcomplicating it. So first things first, how do you set up a shot? When it comes to lighting, natural lighting is ideal. Try facing a window or any other light source. That gives your face a soft, even glow that looks great on camera. Avoid sitting in front of a light source because that creates shadows and makes your face hard to see. Next comes sound. If you're indoors in a quiet room, then a phone mic will do just fine. But if you want better audio, you can invest in a small clip-on mic that will make your voice sound clearer and more professional. And always ensure you prop your phone on a tripod or something stable like a stack of books so your shot isn't shaky. And pay attention to the format. For Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, make sure you shoot on portrait mode. And for YouTube long-form videos, shoot on landscape mode. Whatever type of video you're shooting, make sure you're in the center of the frame with a little bit of space above your head. If you're sitting on one side of the frame, make sure there's something else on the other side, like a bookshelf, so that the frame looks balanced overall. Now let's talk about your content itself. When it comes to video content, storytelling is key. For Instagram Reels and short videos, the first 3 seconds is extremely important. Start with a strong hook, something that will make people stop scrolling. It could be a bold statement, a quick question, a visual hook, a problem, or even a personal anecdote. Then comes the body. You can share a tip, a small insight, or a short story, something that adds value or takes people through a journey. Try to keep it as short as possible because the average attention span of Instagram users is relatively short and they're more likely to share it with their friends if your video is quick and to the point. And wrap up your video with a quick call to action. You can ask people to comment, click the link in your bio, or follow for more. And when it comes to editing, it doesn't have to be complicated. Apps like InShot, CapCut, or Edits by Meta are great for beginners, and there are many YouTube tutorials that walk you through exactly how to use them. If you want your video to look more professional, you can work with a video editor. But even on your own, you can make great looking video content by just adding a few elements. Bold titles that grab attention, quick transitions, soft background music, eye-catching B-roll visuals, no long unnecessary pauses, HD quality and subtitles. If you've created a long video for YouTube, you can even cut it into smaller videos and post it on Instagram. That way you only need to create once and you can reuse it multiple times smartly. So yes, creating video content is not rocket science. With a little bit of practice, you can create wonderful videos that will help you connect with your readers and grow your brand as an author. And if you're having trouble figuring it out on your own, at Notion Press, we have a team of social media experts who help authors plan and shoot their content so you don't have to worry about it. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!